fridge finds. Let's see what we got cooking up today. Pretty rectangled right now, so could use anything. Start off with some fruit. Got strawberries there. Blueberries down here. What else we got? Pineapple. I love fruit, but it's not cutting it. I need something. Ooh. Leftovers. Istanbul Bay chicken. Just fucking raw dogger salad. Cucumber. Egg. Some C2O. Gonna need a spoon for this next one. Got some vanilla Oikos 000. I mean, block of that Parmesan. I'll be right back. Just a little sliver. Won't hurt nobody. Nature's protein bar, by the way. Also a great snack if you're a puddle. I think that's it. The fridge finds. Healthy edition, as always. Stay hungry.